Make home sale profit tax free. Now you might be thinking that I am lying, but what I am saying is legal, and that's what all the rich people do. How do they do it? Up to 500,000 of home sale profit is tax free for couples, and $250,000 is tax free for singles. So first of all, claim this. If you're selling something, claim $500,000 of home sale profit, absolutely tax free. Only requirement is to own and live in this house for 2 years in the last 5 years. So basically, what you need to do is you need to own that house and live in it at least for 2 years. What you can do if you own a house, let's say second mortgage, then after 2 years or after a few years, shift into it. Let's say you bought the mortgage house today, for 3 years you rented it. On the fourth year, go shift yourself. Live in it for 2 years and then sell it off. So you get the like $500,000 in home sale profit tax free. Most of us are like middle income people. So $500,000 in home sale profit is like really high, on the high side, because it's a profit. It's not about the house price, it's about the profit. So if it is profitable, live in it for 2 years and claim this $500,000 of like home sale profit, absolutely tax free. Now you can use this method every 5 years, and you can even run your own real estate business like this. Now if you're in a real estate and you are investing in like companies, so this is your future technique. You just need to use this method, that is, own a house, rent it out for 3 years, then on the fourth year, go shift in it. Use it for 2 years and then sell it off. So you get a 500,000 absolutely tax free. That's brilliant, because if you won't be fulfilling this 2 years kind of stuff, then on a 500,000 like home sale, if I presume 25% tax minimum, let's presume 20% tax. Now, how much is 20%? $100,000 in taxes. So you will be saving $100,000 just in taxes. And how do you need to do it? Just shift in it, and it's your own home. And the best part is there is no limit on this tax claim. You can file it again and again and again without any problem. Without any problem. That's the best part. So do claim it and make your home sale profit absolutely tax free without any problem. Thank you.